Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And before I start today's discussion about the examination, what should be your time strategy and how you supposed to prepare, I would like to thank Pawan. You can see his contribution to our channel, and it is for the welfare of the students, you people, for upgrading our the kind of a content we are making. And I would like to thank Subbalakshmi. You can see that she has contributed us, and I would like to thank Priya. She has contributed and personally made as a WhatsApp status so that we can raise fund for weaker section of the society, so that we can teach them free of cost. And especially because our vision is to help each and every section, say, so that they do not have to depend upon coaching. If this particular experiment gets successful, then it can be replicated in other competitive exams. So do contribute as much as your capacity allows. So this was all about the fundraising. In today's particular thing, you can also see that our vision in the description if you want. Then in today's particular thing, our main thing, many of the YouTube subscribers and many of my own Crash Course subscribers as well as test series subscribers are asking, sir, when the exam will be conducted and what should be our strategy. So here I am with the entire strategy you supposed to be following till the time OPSC notifies the prelim examination date. आपण माने को एग्जाम किपरि भाबरे देबे तार टाइम स्ट्रेटेजी कौन रहिबा दरकार से जिंस उपरे आजिर वीडियो हबो. So do watch it till the end, and especially you will miss a lot. No coaching institute, no YouTube. I never found this kind of a content anywhere. I personally sat down and made the entire strategy so that it can be helpful, especially all those people who are working professionals. बहुत जन अछंती आपण मानक मध्यरु जो माने वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल अछंती से माने टोटली कम टाइम दे पारंती, and they want to crack the OS examination. How they supposed to be making the strategy, how they supposed to be covering the GS paper, how they supposed to be covering the essay paper, how they supposed to be covering the optional paper. And this particular strategy can be applicable if you are a student or you are a working professional. You have to modify it. You have to find out where and when you can have to modify. And especially you know that OPSC has not notified. As you know, sometimes the corona graph of Odisha is coming down and sometimes it goes up. It is one kind of a fluctuation which is going on. So it is totally a volatile situation. I personally believe, I have made that video, that examination will be conducted somewhere between July 15 to first week of September. I still stick to that particular window frame because I personally believe, some people are saying they will be conducting in November. Till now I do not believe they will be going to November window. So always have this particular thing in mind, that exam will be conducted somewhere sometime in either in July second week to September first week. Somewhere if the lockdown gets open, then OPSC may sit down and discuss with their members and they will notify you. So be positive, making your strategy. I will be telling you what strategy you supposed to be following till the time the OPSC notifies the prelim examination date. So friends, आज हमें डिस्कस करिबा कि टाइम टेबल मु बहुत देखिछि. नो कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट को ये यूट्यूब रे मु देखिनी कि टोटल टाइम स्ट्रेटजी हाउ दे सपोज टू बी फॉलोइंग. मु बहुत गुडी रिसोर्स सर्च करली किंतु मिलिलानी. तो आई पर्सनली बिलीव यू सपोज टू बी हैविंग दिस 7 days वीकली प्लानर. जो माने चाकरी अछंती, जो माने स्टूडेंट भी अछंती, आई पर्सनली सजेस्ट देम to follow this particular thing. If you really want it, then let me know in the comment box, sir, we want it. Then I will put this particular planner PDF in my description box in the next video. जदि आपण मानकु एई वीकली प्लानर रो PDF दरकार, then let me know in the comment box you want it, then I will give this particular weekly planner so that you can plan your strategy. So you see that exam, you know, it is not they have not notified. So most of the time, even the serious aspirants, what they do, they tend to neglect things. Sometimes they feel demotivated, sometimes distraction. All these things happen when you are not focused enough, and you have not set your daily targets, you have not set your weekly targets, you have not set your monthly targets. When you set your daily target, then you will have a focus area. You will have a focus area which one to cover and how to cover. You will have a complete strategy. So I personally urge you to have this kind of a strategy. Daily target. What is my daily target? I have to cover this much portion of polity. Then I will cover it. No matter what, I will cover it. So you should have this strategy. Then you supposed to be setting weekly targets too. Weekly targets in the sense, say for example, writing an essay. See, if you do not practice writing an essay, at least one essay a week, then it is very, very difficult. All of a sudden, you cannot go there and start writing and get good marks. You have to be contributing, you have to be putting some regular effort so that your essay writing will improve, your presentation skill will improve. By the way, we have slowly started making the GS blueprint, the complete blueprint for GS paper 1, paper 2 and essay paper, as well as general optional strategy blueprint. We are slowly making. We will let you know. It will be costing very less to you, but if you will get this, then you do not require any kind of a coaching. Yes, I am making a big statement that you do not require any kind of a coaching. If you will follow that blueprint, what we are making, topper strategy for achieving high marks, if you will follow that strategy, then you do not require coaching for main examination, especially about the writing answers. And I have told you that you have to follow a strategy of making an essay, at least one essay a week. And especially if you will follow this particular planner, in this planner, what it is written? It is written that okay, from the morning 00 means 1200 hours to 12 in the noon, and after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 1 o'clock in the afternoon to 12 o'clock in the night. This is planner is there. You have to find out in how much time you are making, how much time you are taking out from your daily routine for preparation of the OS examination. आपण माने फाइंड आउट करबा को पड़िबो कि को टाइम आपण देई परिबे कि से टाइम रे आपण को किए डिस्टर्ब न करबा दरकार. You supposed to switch off your mobile. You have to switch off all the kind of a distraction and focus the kind of a study. I'm not saying this is the best thing. You can also modify it as per your liking. Every individual is different. I have repeated that in many of my videos. Every student is different. Everybody's learning pattern is different. So I have given you a simple idea that you supposed to be following this kind till the prelim examination, till the time OPSC notifies the prelim examination. जो पर्यंत OPSC निजर वेबसाइट रे किछि अपलोड करिकि आपन को नोटिफाई करिनी, आपन को गोटे स्ट्रैटेजी फॉलो करबा को पड़िबो. आपन को स्ट्रैटेजी कोन फॉलो करबा को पड़िबो कि सकाळ जो घंटाटा, एज पर माय पर्सनल बिलीव, सकाळ जो घंटाटा आपन प्रीलिम पय दियंतु, माने अप टू लंच जो टाइम अछि सेति मु ए टाइप स्ट्रैटेजी बनेछि. माने आपण माननकु एटा सूट करिवो. आपण फास्ट रे पॉलिटी नै परिबे. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू मंडे यू टेक पॉलिटी. You can take Monday history. you can take Monday economics as per your liking. You can take Tuesday history or something like. You can change it as per your liking. So you can take the screenshot and you have to make your own strategy. कि फर्स्ट आवर जो अच्छी फर्स्ट अप टू लंच से टाइम रे आपण कोन करंतु प्रीलिम पई प्रिपरेशन करंतु. सेकंड हाफ जो अच्छी सेकंड हाफ मींस आफ्टर लंच टिल लेट नाइट you have to follow two things. One is to strengthening your option and second one is answer writing for GS. One is strengthening the options and second one is answer writing for GS paper. ए तीटा आपण सेकंड हाफ रे करि परिबे. काहे कि मु तारो रीजन कहिबी कि आपण माने जेतो सकाळ उठंती आपण पूरा फुल एनर्जेटिक मोड रे थांती आ इवन आपण जानि चंती कि प्रीलिम एग्जामिनेशन मॉर्निंग हाफ रे हबो स्पेशली 9 to 11 or 9:30 to 11:30 or whatever. Exam will be conducted in the morning hour. So when you will prepare in this morning routine, in this particular pattern, it will help you in the prelim examination. आपन को prelim examination रे help करिवो. सेकेंड हाफ दा मु काहे कहूची आपण राइट ऑप्शनल पई दियंतु आ तार जीएस पेपर रो आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करंतु. सेकेंड हाफ दा रे कोन टिके एनर्जी लेवल टिके डाउन ही जाए तो यू कैन डू आंसर राइटिंग. आपण आंसर राइटिंग करि परिबे ऑप्शनल पढी परिबे जो माने ऑप्शनल पढी नाहंती एबे पर्यंत. आई हम्बली अर्ज ऑल ऑफ यू टू concentrate all your energy in optional 1 and optional 2. Have first reading, then second reading. After prelim examination, you cannot be going for your optional first reading. You cannot, because there will be very less time. That is the time when you supposed to be concentrating on writing answers of your optional and improving upon the quality of answers. That time you supposed to be concentrating on that. And this particular time you supposed to be dedicating for first reading, second reading and complete conceptual clarity about your optional. From whichever section you can take out last 5-year or 10-year question from the OPSC website if it is available, then start writing those answers. If you are able to write those answers from your optional, then chances are high that you will be making a daily effort towards your optional. Then first 3 days you can concentrate on optional 1 in the first in the week. In the second half, first 3 days, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, in the second half you can concentrate on optional 1 and writing GS answer, say 1 hour or 1.5 hour for GS answer. Then the entire other times you can concentrate on optional. Then second half of the week means from Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Thursday, Friday and Saturday you can concentrate on optional 2 and answer writing for GS 2. You can make it answer writing. This one is for first half GS 1 answer writing. Then second half you can concentrate on GS 2 answer writing. आपण माने कोन करिवे फर्स्ट जो 3 दिन अछि ऑप्शनल 1 को दियंतु और GS 1 को दियंतु. देन नेक्स्ट जो 3 दिन अछि ऑप्शनल 2 को दियंतु और ऑप्शनल GS 2 रो जो आंसर राइटिंग अछि सेटा प्रैक्टिस करंतु. वीकली एटलीस्ट गोटे ऐसे लिखंतु. इट कैन बी ऑन संडे, इट कैन बी ऑन द सेकंड हाफ ऑफ संडे. एंड वीकली रिवीजन दा बहुत इंपोर्टेंट. आपण माने जति कि आपण सकाळु माने 6 दिन रे पढिचंदी फ्रॉम मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे, यू सपोज टू बी रिवाइजिंग ऑन संडे. वीकली रिवीजन डे बहुत इंपोर्टेंट. एमिति करंतुनी कि टोटली मु पढि देली तापरे 20 दिन पर 25 दिन पर इवन मासे पर मु आउथरे से चैप्टर पढिबि. नो, जेति कि आपण पढंतु जो इवन जदि आपण कम पढिले से फॉर एग्जांपल आपण ए पैटर्न फॉलो करनाहंती, आपण ओनली 2टा मेजर सब्जेक्ट रखी पढुचंदी वीकली. आपण जदि कंसंट्रेट करचंदी कि मु 3 दिन पॉलिटी पढिबि, 2 दिन हिस्ट्री पढिबि, ओके, इट्स नो प्रॉब्लम. बट मेक इट अ पॉइंट यू रिवाइज दैट ऑन संडे. आपण रिवाइज करंतु एंड you have to do the revision in a periodic manner, every weekly, then also after 15 or 20 days once. So it will keep on revising, it will reinforce in your mind, and it will help you to retain all the information that you have studied in your mind from your short term memory to long term memory. The moment your all the information get transferred to long term memory, you hold it for longer duration. आपण माने कौन करती कि जो पर्यंत आपण लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी रे फिट करती आपण कौन करती बहुत अधिक टाइम पई से इंफॉर्मेशन को रिटेन करि पारिबे. So I hope you like this particular video. Do give me a thumbs up if you like today's video, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. And if you really want, you can also donate just like Pawan, Priya and Subhalakshmi, because it will help us for upgrading the service, upgrading the content, so that you do not have to get coached somewhere. Thank you very much. Happy learning.